Alright, this is my bike check because my last one was gay and I want Moses to delete it.
Nope. Nigga, I got views.
So, where should I start?
Butthole.
Gotcha. This is 1/8 and a quarter with butthole.
This okay, that was fucking gross. Who the fuck knows their width of their asshole?
Come here, come closer so you can see. Okay. These are Sunday Word Buckle grips. I
Wow.
recently cut the flanges.
Does that funny?
Yep. And they feel alright. They're like ODIs pretty much. These are Sunday tall T bars, 8.75 rise and 28.5. No, 28 width. And yeah, they're pretty nice. A little heavy. But yeah, here's my stem. The new Odyssey Lincoln that Moses thinks looks ugly.
Ugly as fuck, don't get it. It's a piece of shit.
Runs really nice. I don't think it's that ugly.
It's fucking horribly ugly. Look at that. Who the fuck puts hinges on the stem?
I like them, but
Whatever, they're gay. If you get them, you're fucking
they
queer.
haven't slipped yet, and they're pretty light.
They're gonna slip like fucking crazy.
They give you a lot of
After a
rise.
month, watch them fucking snap on
They
you.
give you a lot of rise.
Put some salt water on that shit. I know it'll snap.
Alright, Sunday compression valve, or blah, compression cap. Fucking, I don't know what headset.
It's like a stock
this is.
Sunday headset.
Yeah, I don't know what headset. Came with the bike. Sunday morning 2.1 or something. 2.1 forks. Pretty nice, pretty strong. Got Sunday right here in the fork. Says it.
Can't really see that, but whatever.
Front tire is Aaron Ross.
Piece of shit, dude. Don't get these.
Aaron Ross foldable key, whatever.
If anybody gets these or that fucking stem, they're queers.
Key tires, keyboard tires. They're pretty grippy. They're alright. I like them.
Only cool thing about them is when you like to ride through water, they send messages. That's the only cool thing. Other than that, they're gay as fuck. Sorry, Aaron, you fail.
The front is 2.35. The back is 2.10. 2. I don't know.
Whatever, the game, move on.
The pegs are both Shadow little ones.
These are good picks. Get these.
Pretty nice. Slide really nice. Front wheel is the Odyssey Hazard laced to an Odyssey Vendera 2 hub in gold.
These are sick wheels. Get these.
Pretty good. My frame is a Sunday Forecaster frame. I don't know the exact specs, but it's got a wave down tube and it weighs 4 pounds, 13 ounces, I think, something like that. My cranks, Odyssey Thunderbolts. I really like them.
Watch out. You can see through them.
I think they're hollow.
See through.
Hollow spindle. I like them. They're pretty nice, but I think they're a little pricey for how good they are.
Drive profiles. Which better?
Odyssey bottom bracket. I don't know if you can see that. It says it right there. Odyssey Gold limited edition PCs that are worn down a little bit, but they're still a pretty good trade. Seat is Odyssey Senior 2, I think.
Piece of shit. Don't get it.
Pivotal. It's alright.
You know they're good. You know it's good.
not that bad.
You fucking hate it.
I kind of want a different one, but it's
Yeah, because it's a piece of shit.
it's alright.
Odyssey, you fucking fail right here. You fail with these and tires. Come on, Odyssey, pick your shit up.
Odyssey convertible.
This is a 6 post. Get these.
Layback post. It's fucking long. It goes like all the way down there.
That's what she said.
I like it. It's alright.
That's what she said too.
Some people don't like it.
Yeah, because they're gay.
Just said it was cool, but
I don't give a I did
Got
not. No, they don't like it because they're gay.
a yellow Neff sticker.
Neff's pretty sick. Get their shit. You don't get it, you can go fuck yourself.
I got free shit.
It's okay, everybody. I love you.
Okay. Now I got Sunday Sabertooth 28 tooth sprocket. They came with the bike. Got a KMC. I don't know, just normal KMC chain.
Fuck MC.
It comes loose all the time. It's kind of gay.
Hollow pin. Fuck world.
It's not, I don't think it's hollow pen.
I know that's not. I'm just saying, get the KMC hollow pen's the only good one.
Back pegs are Odyssey GIs. They're pretty thick. They slide really nice. I got them for free.
Free.
Yeah.
Free. There's your face.
You got.
There's the laugh.
I got an Odyssey V3 cassette. It's pretty loud. I don't know if you want to hear it. Yeah, it's kind of loud, I guess.
Who the fuck up? We already gone 5 minutes, 30 seconds.
Okay, sorry. Odyssey Hazard Light rim. I like these rims; they're pretty nice. That's it. The bike weighs in about like a high, like 24 point, I don't know, something like that. 24.3 or something, and it's pretty solid. It runs really nice. That's pretty much it.